Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Thursday, December the 8th, and I love Thursdays because it's the days where I teach ballet and like go into the studio. So I wake up with a pep in my step already because I'm so excited, and I've been loving using my Nespresso again. I really missed it, and I know it's kind of a funny thing to say that I missed because it's not like I didn't have coffee, but honestly, me and Steve were watching one of my old vlogs from a few months ago, and we were like, is that coffee? And it was the Keurig, but our Keurig's so old and ancient that the coffee is basically water, so it's been really nice to have actual coffee and espresso again. I just feel so much more productive, and I just love the feeling that espresso gives me because I don't get jittery from that kind of caffeine. Also, the Wednesday Addams hair will make sense if you follow me on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know my makeup and hair looks a little wild, and if you've been watching the new Wednesday show on Netflix, you'll know why. And if you also follow me, I feel like my camera's falling, on TikTok, you'll also know why. If you're not following me, it's JASSSOME, and Instagram is JASSOME. Since I'm all dressed in my ballet stuff, I figured I would do some ballet. And then I'm gonna have a snack because I literally woke up and had so much energy, and I had my coffee and I had a bagel, and then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna start filming and start editing stuff right away. It's almost the holidays, guys. It's almost the holidays. Just have to push through. Although I love my job, so I'm kind of sad about not being able to go to dance. Not that I can't go, like I can absolutely still go into the studio, but like I'll be going here, going there for family things during Christmas, so I won't have that much time, but that'll be fine. It'll go by fast. I know the holidays always go by super fast. And yeah, I got my pointe shoes on. Let's dance. I've been trying to get as much dancing in as I possibly can, not just because the holidays are coming up, but also because I want to end the year as best as I can before I start an even more amazing and incredible year. I will also be performing at the end of December, and even though it's just a few seconds of me being on stage doing a little tiny bourrée section, I just want to feel my best and feel as confident as possible. So dancing every day has really helped that. Not only because I'm conditioning my body, but also because I'm just getting more confident with what my body can physically do. Since quitting professional ballet, I have not been able to do the same things that I used to be able to do, things like doing faute turns on pointe or doing consecutive pirouettes. You know, some days I have really good days, some days not so much, and it's because I'm not consistently training like I used to in the studio for like 8 hours. I maybe do half an hour to an hour every single day with the weekends off. That being said, doing ballet every single day since October has really helped my self-esteem and confidence. I took such a long break off dancing. I took nearly 2 years off. So if you guys don't know, I quit professional ballet about 3.5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago during the pandemic. And since then I haven't been training consistently, but since this year, October, I've been implementing ballet classes within my week about 4 to 5 times a week. And it really has helped my self-esteem, confidence. And I know I said that already, but it's true. I mean, I feel way more secure in my body and more confident about myself than I did when I was a professional ballerina. I just finished filming some content and finished doing a ballet class. I changed into something a little bit more comfortable because I'm teaching a class at 1 to 1:30, and I'm gonna do some chores for the next 30 minutes before I have lunch with Steve, even though I ate a late breakfast. Yeah, I'm still gonna hang out and watch Wednesday with him. Very much Wednesday Addams hair right now. It's also because my hair's kind of greasy and I need to wash it, but I'm kind of lazy. And I'm like, well, maybe I'll just wash it when I get home after dance because I'll be sweaty anyways because I plan on going to the studio to do some work. So yeah, I'm gonna go do some chores, such as folding laundry, my favorite. My mom gave me this advent calendar from the Body Shop. She also gave me and Steve the chocolate lint advent calendar. And it's so fun to open something every single day and to get a little surprise. And what I love most about the advent calendar is the little things on the side of the boxes that say send a letter to a friend or text 5 people in your messages and tell them how special and unique they are. It's so sweet and thoughtful, and it's a nice reminder every single day to be kind to each other and to appreciate who you've got in your life. So thanks, Mom, for giving me the advent calendars. It's so sweet. I have had to take a bit of a step back from vlogging. I used to post vlogs every week that were 20 minutes long, but I've had to take a step back from my mental health and just to spend more time with my family. Okay, I'm about to go on a walk with Elsa. Let's see if she's ready. I've got my little Lulu bag that I've been loving. I'm gonna do a workout too because my hair is a bit greasy, but I'm like, I can't justify showering in the beginning of the day when I haven't even sweat. I don't know if anybody else does that because that's what I do. I'm like, well, I know I'm gonna sweat when I teach and I know I'm gonna sweat if I work out, so I'll shower after. So I'm gonna film a workout and also work out and then shower after and probably get ready for the day. But are you ready for a walk? Oh. Ooh. Does anybody else remember these things? These EOS lip balms? I love them. Are you ready to go on a walk? I don't want her to scratch my new bag and jump on it. But yeah, I'm just gonna wear my sweats and then do a workout when I get home and then shower after. But do you wanna go on a walk? Okay. She knows she can't touch the bag. Are you ready for a walk, beautiful dog? I'm not saying I haven't been posting because I still try to keep to my regular posting schedule, but what I mean by taking a step back is that every single second that something fun or exciting happens, I don't whip out my camera immediately, and that's why my vlogs are so much shorter lately, and I'm showing kind of the same thing, but that's because I've genuinely been trying to live in the present moment, and I've been very busy with work, but mainly because I've been trying to spend time with Steven, Elsa, my mom, my family, my friends. I realized I had to take a bit of a step back because I was trying to multitask every single minute of my day. You know, I would be on hold on the phone while trying to record something, while trying to work out, but I'd also be emailing people while uploading stuff and doing a thumbnail, and it was just kind of overwhelming, and I feel like I wasn't getting my best work in that one thing that I was working on. I feel like I was just trying to spread myself too thin on multiple things, so I appreciate you guys staying with me, and comment down below if you are excited for the holidays because boy oh boy am I. I said that really weird. Doesn't that rug look so clean now? Also, I have another class this evening. I'm teaching 6 to 7. I was teaching earlier at 3 to 4 and then I just kind of doom scrolled on TikTok for a bit. I filmed a video though and I edited it that's going to be posted tomorrow. So I'm going to close out the vlog here unless I decide to do a Q&A at the end, which I might. I'll throw it up on my Instagram stories and see if I get any new questions. Most of the time it's the same ones because new followers on Instagram mean people don't know me as well. So they ask the same questions like, how long have you been dancing? Which is a fair question, but I can't answer it every single video. So I might close out the vlog here. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now. Sorry, that was really aggressive. Bye. So I didn't actually end up answering any of the questions on my Instagram Q&As in today's video, so you'll have to check the next vlog for that. I ended up just closing out the vlog here, cooking dinner the rest of the night, binge watching Firefly Girls on Netflix, and starting a few new series. I had to wait for Steve to come back home because we were watching Wednesday together and he was at his friend's house. So the next day he actually came home, and it was funny because I was out for a walk with Elsa and Steven was also there because he wanted to go check on the water and see if the ice was freezing, which look, it is. Isn't that so cool the way ice forms? I think it's so pretty. I also got a Starbucks cookie and brought it home, and then I made a Starbucks latte at home after buying a Starbucks latte after work. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and bye now. That sentence didn't really make a lot of sense, and I can't speak anymore. Oh my gosh. It's already 12:30 p.m. on a Monday, and I haven't done much, and I have a class in like 2 hours. I feel like I need another coffee. If you're still listening, please comment a clown emoji because this is how I feel right now. And also tell me what you want for Christmas. I don't know. Let's share our want list and our wish list. Anyways, I'm gonna leave. Bye.